Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. In the demanding environment of a high-pressure marine steam plant, the water circulating through the boilers and turbines is much more than just a working fluid. It is a critical component that determines the lifespan and safety of the entire propulsion system. Operating at high pressures means that even microscopic amounts of impurities can lead to catastrophic failures, such as tube ruptures or turbine blade erosion. To prevent these issues, strict water quality standards must be maintained through constant monitoring and chemical treatment. The first pillar of steam water quality is the total absence of hardness, which refers to calcium and magnesium salts. In a high-pressure environment, these minerals will quickly precipitate onto the hot surfaces of the boiler tubes, forming a hard scale that acts as an insulator. This scale prevents efficient heat transfer, causing the metal of the tubes to overheat and eventually fail under pressure. To achieve this level of purity, ships use multi-stage evaporators or reverse osmosis units followed by mixed bed demineralizers to produce ultra-pure distillate. The second critical standard is the control of dissolved oxygen. Oxygen is highly corrosive to steel, especially at high temperatures where it causes localized pitting that can penetrate a thick boiler tube in a remarkably short time. Marine engineers use mechanical deaerators to strip oxygen from the feed water and then supplement this with chemical oxygen scavengers like hydrazine or sodium sulfite to ensure the concentration remains near zero. Another vital parameter is the alkalinity or pH level of the water. The system must be kept slightly alkaline, typically within a range of 9 to 10.5, to promote the formation of a protective magnetite layer on the internal steel surfaces. If the water becomes acidic, this protective layer dissolves, leading to general corrosion. Conversely, if the pH is too high, it can lead to caustic embrittlement of the metal. Conductivity is the primary indicator used to monitor the overall dissolved solids in the system. High conductivity suggests that seawater leakage has occurred in the condenser or that there is a buildup of treatment chemicals, both of which require an immediate blowdown to refresh the water. Chlorides are especially dangerous in high-pressure systems as they can cause stress corrosion cracking in stainless steel components and accelerate the corrosion of the boiler internals. Modern marine steam plants utilize sophisticated automated dosing systems that inject phosphates and polymers to keep any remaining solids in a mobile, non-adherent state so they can be easily removed. Troubleshooting water quality issues involves regular manual testing to verify the accuracy of the automated sensors. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.